Okay, here's a fast way to turn off bots in Lyra for all the levels. Just go up to Edit, Editor Preferences, up here, Lyra Developer Settings. Come over here to Lyra Bots, Override, and that'll be at 0. Or if you wanted more, you could add more. So I'm going to put in 0. I'm going to close that, and now you'll see when I spawn in, it's just me in there. So you can kind of walk around and check out your level without worrying about a bunch of bots shooting at you. So again, that's Edit, Editor Preferences, Lyra Developer Settings, Lyra Bots, Override Number of Bots, 0.